And then we'll put the Java home variable. Edit this one. Yeah, Java home %. Uncertain site. /bin. Yeah, apply. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Now try. Now it is starting, I guess. No, it's the same thing. Build caches and incubated. I get our properties for Java Home. Close this and try it again. Yes, we'll do that. JWB Studio. Did not throw that error. But the Server Studio should be open. Yeah, now it's opening. Now it's opening. Yes. Starting guide was to do now. Okay. Okay, so we'll do two things here. First thing first is, we will drop the DB. I'll tell you. Can you maximize the studio? This is how your studio looks like. If you'll go to the above options, there are options like File Edit. You navigate right. We will get to know about all these options. Slowly, when we will move forward right throughout the course. So you'll get all the functionalities of this, but right now, go to the Run. Okay. If you want to do DB, drop. Okay, then what we can do? Go to the debug. This debug. Click on this. There is an option, DB drop. Okay. Drop DB. So whatever the drop. No, it will. It is started already. You can see at the top and then last corner right. Okay, extreme right too. Processes are running. So it's running the background. Okay, it will take some time. Because it will first compile all the classes and then it will initiate the DB drop. So let it be. Okay. So when you say DB drop, what exactly is happening? DB drop. So whatever data is there in the database right now, okay, might be some junk data, is already present in this. So that data will be deleted, those junk data would be deleted. So, on day-to-day basis, do we do anything like that? No on day. We are doing it for when we are starting it for the first time. That's it. On day-to-day basis, we don't do it. And this would be only for the training app. No, this is for each and every application. But usually you don't drop the database, right? We know usually we don't drop the database because we prepare the database right on daily basis, and that database is very critical for us to use. So we don't drop DB every now and then. It's just the first time we are doing it, because we just need to start our server very freshly with a fresh new data. We don't want any junk data in that. That's why we are doing that, just to clean up. Yeah, for the training app. What we did is, we went to this folder. But say, if I'm working, I will not have anything like this, right? So how do I open the? No, you will have this set up with you. No, I mean if I'm working somewhere. Still, you will have that set up with you for claims, and we will be having that. So it will be similar like. Yes, it will be similar. Yeah, you will have everything similar to this. You will have all that. You will get a folder named Claimcenter, and there you need to just go to CMD, type that command, GWB Studio. It will open the Claimcenter Studio for you. Got it.